Hey everyone, let's dive into the amazing world of cellular respiration and break down some essential terms you need to know. First up, our bodies break down glucose through a process called glycolysis, which happens in the cytoplasm and turns glucose into pyruvate. Next, pyruvate enters the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Inside the mitochondria, pyruvate is transformed into acetyl-CoA. Krebs cycle, or citric acid cycle, takes over from here, generating energy in the form of ATP and energy carriers such as NADH and FAD2. These molecules are crucial because they carry electrons to the next stage called oxidative phosphorylation, happening in the inner membrane of mitochondria called crista. In this stage, electrons carried by NADH and FAD2 are passed through the electron transport chain to produce ATP. When oxygen isn't available, cells sometimes switch to the fermentation process to produce lactic acid or ethanol based on organisms and conditions. This usually takes place in muscle cells or in yeast. Both processes recycle NADH back to NAD+ to keep glycolysis running. Let's not forget, it's a process of adding a phosphate group to a molecule, like how ATP is formed. To wrap it up, cellular respiration is a fascinating and vital process, breaking down glucose and producing ATP through glycolysis, the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain, with some help from key players like NADH and FAD2.